I've been a lifeguard for 5 years. I've been a swim instructor for 3 of those years. I grew up at the city of Phoenix. I learned how to swim here. I went through swim team, dive team, Cub Club, Discovery Guards, Junior Lifeguards, and Aquatics Academy.
It's a good first job to have. You're given a lot of responsibilities at a young age, and you have to adapt pretty quick, but it's fun.
The people that I work with over the summer, they're my summer family. They mean so much to me, and they're there for me all summer long.
There's coaching, there's instructing, there's teaching, so there's a lot of different positions that you can go into within the pool.
No one's ever going to put you down. We're always going to be there to help you, to teach you. It's always the teaching experience.
I think the most important skill that I've learned is knowing how to respond quickly in an emergency. I've learned how to think on my feet and react with the skills that I've been taught.
I can't think of another job that's the same, that gives you the same skill set.
Teaching kids how to swim. I love that part of the job. I love being around those kids, seeing them jump in for the first time, being there when they hit that benchmark.
Definitely the most valuable skill I've learned from working with the city is communication and being able to communicate effectively.
It's a fun job. I've gotten rid of other jobs just to come back and work for aquatics during the summertime, so it's definitely something I enjoy to do.
Do it, stop thinking about it. It's a great place to be, and it changed my life, and I'm confident that it'll change yours too.